सत श्री अकाल, मेरा नाम Andrea है, aka Desi Gori. Today we are going to have an amazing workout. I am so happy and thrilled about this one because this is for everyone. If you haven't had exercise in a long time, if you're over 50s, if you just have 10 minutes, only 10 minutes to spare, please stay with me and do this workout. You will feel so good, you will feel energized. When you're gonna look at the workout, you will say, that looks very easy. But no, this is not going to be easy. This is going to be a workout that it's worth it. So let's begin.
We're going to start with a warm-up. We're going to keep on marching. We are going to move our feet throughout the whole set of exercises. Make sure to keep your hands all wide, going up and going down. And don't forget to smile, don't forget to be happy. Second exercise, it's simply just walking. Try to walk a bit faster than you usually do. Make sure to keep your hands close to your body. Keep them tight. You can keep your hands in a fist. And make sure to do good movement of hands. What we're going to do now, we're going to take one leg at a time and keep it away from the body. And then going back inside. So out, out, in, out, out, in. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to be happy and to smile. This is going to be a very easy workout. This time, keep your hands straight away from the body. Like I said, we're always gonna be marching. So that will keep the heart going for the next 10 minutes. This is week 2 of How About with Desi Gori. This time, we're doing a set of exercises for people over 50. Next exercise, keep your hands high up above your head. And of course, keep on marching. So far, so good. Stay with me. This is not going to be too hard, but again, it's not going to be too easy. Later on, you will feel that your heart is pumping, so don't get discouraged. Next exercise. In the same time as you're bringing your hands together in front of you, make sure to keep one leg away from the body. And it's not going to be in straight line, it's going to be on diagonal. So hands together and one leg at a time away from the body. Left, right. Keep on marching for the next 30 seconds. Stay happy, stay positive, stay with me. This is going to be easy, but you will love it. Okay, moving on to the next one. Keep your hands in front of your body and one leg at a time behind your back. Now, sometimes this exercise says that you should hit the back of your posterior, but this time we're only gonna go halfway through. Keep your spine straight and put a bit of tension in those legs and lift and lift. Okay, this time we're gonna go from left to right and stay down make sure you keep down like you want to kneel. So you put a bit of force on the knees. Not too much, just a bit. And you go left, right, left, right. Let's stretch a bit the arms and the back. Keep your belly tight, keep your core tight, and move from left to right twice. So left twice, right twice. Move the whole head together with your upper body. And don't forget to breathe. And again, go marching. Be happy, stay focused, stay positive, stay with me. Imagine doing this 10 minutes workout, maybe twice a week. You don't need any sort of preparation for this. Next exercise, bring your knees up, not all the way where the hands are. So there you go. Have a look from the side. Try to bring your legs up where your belly is, one at a time. Right, left, right, left, right, left, and stay focused. And this time, we're gonna go down the stairs. We're gonna go down the stairs, going down the stairs, and again, backwards down the stairs. I'll show you in a bit from a side. And there you go. Go down the stairs, go backwards down the stairs. This time we're gonna go with our legs backwards twice. Left 1, 2, right 1, 2. Left 1, 2, right 1, 2. And don't forget to breathe. By now you should feel your heart pumping. Okay, let's go to the next one. Again, we're going to take one leg at a time away from the body in diagonal. And have a look. Your hands will be up above your head. Keep them together. And one leg at a time away from the body. Right, left, right, left. Not in straight line, but in diagonal. Okay, this time we're going to go from left to right. Keep focused, stay with me, breathe, and be happy. Okay, this one is probably gonna be a bit harder, yeah? We're gonna do jumping jacks. Legs apart, hands apart. This will be the slower version, so one leg at a time and the hands up away from the body. If it feels too hard, but if you feel you can do it, jump with me then. It's only 30 seconds. Back to legs, and this time again we're gonna go one leg at a time behind the back. Keep your body strong, keep it tight, keep your fists tight, keep your hands up, don't let them go down, and one leg at a time at the back. Right, left, left. Okay, let's move again a bit faster. This time we're gonna do twists from our torso, just like you would do a bit of a dance. You don't need to jump too high. Look at my legs, they're almost at floor level. Moving left and right. And hands, always keep them engaged. And guess what? We are marching. We are now at our last exercise. How is your heart? Is it pumping? Good. Because you are going to feel so proud of yourself that you've managed to stay with me for 10 minutes. Make sure you do this twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, as many times as you want, because it will make you feel so good. It's only 10 minutes. Keep smiling, be happy, because we are done. Well done, everyone.
Whew. And the workout is done. Ho gaya. It was amazing. I hope you liked it. I really hope you will be with me again next week. Try to do this workout at least twice a week. Make sure you always keep in shape. Don't ever think that you cannot do it. Just give it a try. Just one time, give it a try, and you will love it. You will love it. Just make sure that you keep on following what I'm doing. And together, we will be healthy and happy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Samajh gaya?